play that was staged in New York called Angry Men. But after the ending, I thought na there's a connection of this play with your first production, Pilato, and that guy washed his hands off Jesus, but these people cannot wash their hands. So parang they're trapped, and so it leaves everyone hanging. Was that your purpose?
Can I get back to school?
Analyzing, buffering.
Subconsciously lumabas siya. Siguro, but I wasn't intending to do it. But siguro kung you watch Pilato and this play, I know that it's kind of weird to do it, but I always leave the question back to the audience. Kasi mas marami kayo. I'm just a writer. I can put up anything that we need to talk about, that we need to discuss. But if each and every one of you take action based on what you picked up today, then that is, parang for me, our jobs are done. So,
Which of the 7 characters is basically you?
I would say that it will sound like a cop-out question, but a cop-out answer, but there's a part of me in each and every one of them. We have a business, so I'm also an authority figure. Yung nakikita sa kasada ng PA, that was me. So Lara being afraid as a young person, seeing ganito na ba kanila yung social media, is also me. Trying to be prosperous. So lahat po yun. And I don't think I will be able to write this like this as an assumption. Ako kung sa sarili ko, like, experience. Hindi ako dating bokbok, pero I don't know. Sorry. Naka-future bokbok. Usap ko. I'm sorry if it sounded like a pop-up question, but part of me is in these characters. Thank you so much. Last one.